What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a little bit of catch-up work. It is Sunday. I just filmed this Violet Voss makeup tutorial, so if you want to see how I got this pink and purple self-love look for Valentine's Day, you can check it out here. Today I'm filming the Ipsy Glam Bag, the original. This is the January bag, and look at how cute this is. I'm such a sucker for silver bags. I love them so much. So it's this silver puffer. Love that. And it has this like baby blue, so I'm expecting the inside to be baby blue. It's actually not. Boring. It's white. They should have totally lined it. What the heck? They like didn't even line this bag. That's so weird, Ipsy. Okay. Anyways, this is the year of the yes. This is your year to say yes to it all. Experimenting with new eye looks, swiping on fresh lip color, testing out the hottest new brands. No pressure, no perfection, just the joy of trying something new. I'm all about it. So let's get into this little glam bag. Okay, first thing I see is, what are you? Night Brightening Sleep Facial from Chorus. This is Vitamin Super E. Ooh, it smells divine. It actually smells like roses. I was expecting for it to smell like citrus. It actually smells like roses. Love that. Can't wait to try you. Next. Ooh. Luna Magic. Strawberry Mojito. Is this a lip liner? I hope this is a pink lip liner and not like a red. Okay, it's like a berry type color. Like so crazy windy out. Cute, I like it. Next is, what is this? Comeback Aether Beauty. What is it? Ooh, mascara. Look at that wand. Okay, I've never heard of this brand before, but I'm definitely going to try this mascara out. Next, Retro Vision Reset Clarity Pink Clay Mask from Tiger Love. Cute. Beautiful packaging. I hate to destroy the packaging. It's so psychedelic. Cute. A little travel clay mask. Love that. I need to like book some trips with all this travel product. Okay, and then last is the Ultrafine Milled Ditto Loose Powder. A little mini and translucent. Aw, and it comes with this like tiny little puffer. Oh, it smells like baby powder. The two, definitely brightening. I like that. Okay. I don't know if this is a replacement for my Huda, but it's definitely cute. It really smells like baby powder though. I don't love that. So that is what was in my January mystery glam bag, or the January Ipsy Original. If you guys like these videos, please leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see next, and thank you for watching.